Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Tira app. You will click on settings. Here you will go to this first page of settings. You will click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search about Tira app and you will enter here. Then in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. But pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end you can turn off your phone, so please don't forget to support us by liking.